Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to order food on DoorDash. So first, open the DoorDash app and sign in using your login credentials. Now after that, enter your delivery address and browse restaurants available in your area. Then choose a restaurant and select the food you want to order. Now add the items to your cart and review your order carefully. After that, choose any available options such as sides, toppings, or special instructions to the chef. And when you're ready, review the delivery address, estimated delivery time, payment method, and total price. And if everything looks correct, place your order. You can then use the app to follow your order and receive delivery updates. So that was how to order food through DoorDash. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.